As outdoors more essential, above-ground pools are rising in popularity due to their affordability, convenience, and easy installation. Ideal for families, entertainers, or those who want to beat the summer heat. This guide evaluates the best options based on size, durability, pump system, and overall value. Here are the top above-ground pools that transform your backyard into a refreshing escape. List number 1. Intex 26363 Ultra XTR 24 feet by 12 feet by 52-inch pool set. The Intex 26363 Ultra XTR is a premium above-ground pool built for serious backyard swimmers. With a massive 24 feet by 12 feet footprint and 52-inch depth, it's ideal for families and parties. The powder-coated steel frame offers excellent durability and rust resistance. The sand filter pump is a standout, ensuring crystal clear water with less maintenance than cartridge pumps. This set includes a deluxe maintenance kit and ladder, making it a complete package. Setup is relatively straightforward for its size. List number Intex 14.75 by 86 by 33 rectangular frame pool. This Intex rectangular pool is perfect for smaller backyards that need an efficient and stylish swimming solution. With a depth of 33 inches, it's great for older kids and adults who want to lounge or play. The frame is sturdy and reinforced with durable sidewalls, while the included flow control valve helps with hassle-free draining. Setup is relatively easy for 2 people and takes under an hour. While it doesn't come with a pump, users can add one separately for improved water circulation. List number 3. Intex 28211 12 feet by 30-inch metal frame pool set. The Intex 28211 is a compact yet capable pool set designed for quick setup and family enjoyment. The 12 feet diameter and 30-inch depth make it suitable for kids and adults alike, with a metal frame that provides surprising sturdiness. It includes a 530 GPH cartridge filter pump, which helps maintain clean water with minimal effort. The durable, laminated PVC sidewalls resist punctures and provide a long service life. This pool is ideal for smaller spaces and budgets, while still offering refreshing fun on hot days. List 4. Intex metal frame 12 feet by 30 in round pool. This Intex 12-foot round pool offers a classic backyard pool experience with minimal fuss. Designed for families, it features a strong metal frame, puncture-resistant 3-ply material, and simple setup that requires no tools. The 30-inch depth is kid-friendly, but still deep enough for adult relaxation. It doesn't include a pump, but it's compatible with most standard models. List 5. Bestway Steel Pro 9 feet 10 inches by 6 feet 7 inches pool set. Bestway's Steel Pro rectangular pool is compact yet practical, especially for smaller yards. With a capacity of 827 gallons, it's great for kids or adults looking for a relaxing dip. The corrosion-resistant steel frame and puncture-resistant Tritech liner ensure long-lasting performance. It comes with a built-in flow control drain valve, and the pool is easy to assemble without tools.